सी हे अंडरस्टँड करपाक देर इज अ स्कॅम इन दॅट. 2012 द लेट चीफ मिनिस्टर श्री पर्रीकार ताणें एक्सपोज केल्लें दॅट द प्रॉपर्टी which was acquired and notified by the government for parking in front of airport, that was denotified middle of the night. And he said the then revenue minister and then MLA, revenue minister and the MLA of Dabolim apon jikun yetko jailin galtalo. These are his words during the election campaigning. It was denotified. Even the owners, I don't know whether they benefited, but it was given to the real estate, and there's a huge construction which has come. Buildings after buildings are coming. So this being an international airport, and one of the criteria there has to be parking. So आणि कितें केलां to cover up that mistake, आतां शांतीनगर तांणी parking दाखयला. लोकांक सांगूंक ना, कांय करूंक ना. When we were studying the ODP, draft ODP 2030, we suddenly realized there is this parking which is shown, and with that whole lot of houses which are there in Shantinagar are going to get demolished. Lokankoi confidence on gyung na, they are the main stakeholders. Elected representatives are aware. So we informed the people, and we have also made them, guided them, approached the MPDA, put your objection without informing what is planning. Planning is supposed to be for the people. Here you are doing planning to destroy the houses. You all have been feeding on those votes, giving false promises, and I stanchi ghara modpak aile, and because of your follies, what you had done in 2012, then cover up karpak I tumi parking karta without telling the people ghara modpachi asa. So we are there with those people. We will guide those people. We will fight, because this is a scam. And there is another scam which is coming up, which will subsequently we will expose, because we have to fight for the people's right. Yeah, politicians are using and throwing the poor people, and we are telling the people this is what they get. There is a large area in Shantinagar which has been notified as not notified. It has already come in the ODP, draft ODP 2030. In that also ODP there is a scam. When ODP 2026 has been notified and just implemented, it is supposed to be a 10-year planning. So तुम्ही आता ODP 2026 आयला, तातूनच lot of objections were put by the people. You have not addressed those objections, and suddenly 2030 kata 2030 cannot be. If it is 2016, 2026, it should be 2036. So you are aware probably elections are coming and want to make quick money from interested parties of real estate. तुमची कितें property zoning change करता, पैसे घेयात आमी हे घालता, and this is a scam. 2030 has to be 2036, not 2030. आणि हातून तुमीची मिस्टेक केली 2012 पार्किंगाची ती दाखयल्या. So this is, we are going to go to the people, inform them these nefarious activities of this politician, elected representative. And as of now, I hold the MLA of Dabolim, who had done that, involved in that scam. He should tell his voters why he is doing this. And I also appealed to the MLA of Vasco, Mr. Carlos Almeida. Please save, these are your voters also. It is half Vasco, half Dabolim. Don't do these undemocratic things, anti-people things. You all are co-opted members in the MPDA. Immediately you should remove these areas from MPDA, from that parking. You all have to acquire land somewhere else. That is what is our demand.
Yo.